Hi and hello guys. Today in this video I'll show you a fix for this issue wherein the Snap Store will have a transparent background at launch. Okay, so this is basically a bug in the Snap Store which may be fixed in the coming days. But here is my thoughts on these. So the issue here is the incompatibility between the theme of the Linux OS and the theme that the Snap Store requires. To fix this, open themes, and the issue is mainly pertaining to the control or the controls window over here. It has got nothing to do with icons, window borders, or desktop or anything else. So select controls and you can either choose Advaita, just the plain version, or the Advaita Dark, or you can choose high contrast also. So as you can see, as I switch between the themes, the transparency still persists. It gets resolved only if you choose the Advaita theme or the high contrast theme. That is pretty much it. So that is how you can fix the Snap Store transparency issues. So I really hope that you find this video useful and informative. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.